Hello everyone, my name is Masha and today I'm going to show you how to wash your friendship bracelets. So I've actually had this question asked to me so many times, it's honestly baffling. I didn't realise that so many people didn't know how to wash their bracelets, because to me it's very simple, it's just soap and water, there's nothing really to it. But I realise now that probably so many of you are asking because you're just worried that something will happen to your bracelets if you wash them incorrectly. So today I'm going to show you that you have nothing to worry about. In a perfect world, I would have used an old bracelet which is dirty to demonstrate, but I am currently on holiday in Miami visiting my family, so I do not have any of my old bracelets to demonstrate with. This is a bracelet that I actually made very recently, and I made it for my grandma, and I'll have the pattern linked down below if you want to make it for yourself. You should also follow me on Instagram to keep up with all of my latest creations, as I always post the pictures of the bracelets and the patterns to the bracelets that I make. So let's get started. So when you're cleaning your bracelets, what you're doing is essentially hand washing your laundry. So you can use any sort of laundry liquid that you have that is suitable for hand wash, or you can use soap. A bar of soap or liquid soap, both work. Anything that you'd like to wash your bracelet with is usually suitable. If it's suitable for clothes, then it's suitable for this, because this is pretty much thread. It's similar to clothes, so it should be fine. So today I'm going to be using some liquid that we use for hand washing laundry, and I'm going to start by filling up the basin with water. You don't need too much water because the bracelet that you're washing is quite small, but obviously if you're washing more than one bracelet you might want to use a little bit more water. Next, I'm going to pour in a little bit of the washing up liquid into the water. And I'm just going to mix it all in. I really enjoy that it's so bubbly, I think it'll make for a really nice thumbnail. And then there's not much more to it. You just put your bracelet in the water and you start washing it as you would normal laundry. And there you can see my bracelet is all nice and soapy, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to drain this water and I'm just going to run some tap water through the bracelet. And there you go, my bracelet is all nice and clean. If you can, you might want to sort of push all the water out of the bracelet. My bracelets are usually pretty tight, so it's quite difficult to do that, and I think they get even tighter when they're wet. So I'm just going to put this out on the balcony. Thankfully I am in sunny Florida right now, so it's quite hot outside, and I think this is going to dry in no time if I put it out on the balcony. And as you can see, the bracelet dries completely normally. There are no issues with anything. It is completely fine, and you can continue wearing it just like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Maybe you found it informative. If you ever make anything based on any of my videos, I always love to see you guys' creations, so send them over to me on Instagram, either in posts or in direct messages. I post videos every Tuesday and Saturday, and I will see you on Tuesday. Bye!
Thank you.